Hey there, I'm John. Hope you are doing well. I'm a finance and stock market specialist. I'm here to share with you key principles I learned through my personal experience. You can read endless pages of theory on investment strategy. Or you can save all that time and listen to me more closely. There is no single formula to success, but there are certain steps you should follow. Tip 1. Start young. The younger you start investing, the more you will gain throughout the years. Tip 2. Do proper research. The stock market is unpredictable, but you need to understand how it really operates. Tip 3. Invest small amounts in various companies. Tip 4. Don't invest whatever everyone else is mostly investing in, but listening to your gut feeling. Tip 5. Don't be afraid of taking risks. Just make sure you weigh the pros and cons carefully. Tip 6. Don't give up after your first failure. Learn your lessons and move on as a smarter investor. Follow these steps, and you will be successful. Thanks for watching Success Mentality.